Good morning, everyone. This is Mark Kalumba reporting on FMA3, and I have selected the social marketing campaign Kilusan Ligtas Malaria conducted in the province of Palawan City. My rating scale can be referred on columns J and K of this spreadsheet. 5 means all items or all points of the question have been satisfied by the SOCMAR or SOCMOB project. Rating 4 is above expectations. 3 is the question was satisfied within expectations, the bare minimum. A rating scale of 2 needs improvement, while a rating scale of 1 needs major improvement, while 0 is the question was not completely satisfied across all fronts. Now, the minimum total score, since the minimum score requirement per line item is 3 and I have 10 questions on the rating sheet, a minimum of 30 is required to pass the evaluation. So my first question lined up on the subject is, were the SOCMAR or SOCMOB objectives clearly identified? Based on the reference material I've posted online on this report, it was established on slide 3 that the need to curb malaria spread in the province of Palawan with timelines to address and control the spread is completely itemized and clear on the project presentation, and I scored them a rating scale of 5. Do the defined goals follow SMART format, which is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound? I believe the project did not directly spell the SMART format, but as you read through the project plan, you can piece together the campaign's goal to reduce malaria spread 5 years into the project. If it were more direct as far as spelling out the SMART format is concerned, this line item should have scored 5. The next question is, did the SOC marketing plan or social mobilization plan identify the key participants of the project? It satisfied the question completely. All proper stakeholders and project leaders and key players of the initiatives were identified, including LGUs or local government units, volunteer marketers, educators, and a specialist called microscopists to help drive higher testing rate in the region. Question number 4 is the social marketing or mobilization plan. Did it identify the target audience or beneficiaries? I scored that a 5. Target population was identified properly on the project charter. Question number 5 was also completely satisfied. Were activities properly outlined? There were timelines of activities that were outlined during the course of the mobilization project. Was a budget outlined on the report? This was not clearly identified, so I gave them a low scale of 2 rating for this question. Did the project team present a monitoring plan? Yes, indeed, they have a monitoring and microscopy testing outputs done periodically to measure the progress of the initiative. We scored them a 5. Did the project team present an evaluation plan for the said initiative? It was presented over the course of the project charter. Awareness rate was also measured, and the sheer number of volunteers in the area, especially for microscopic testing, have been fully identified. The project was deemed future-proof and sustainable. Did the project team define interventions on the event? I think there was a lack of intervention, the lack of detail provided on the project charter. I scored them a 2. And the last question I have is the project sustainable? I believe with the educational level of awareness and the drug medication supply being ample enough, I deemed the project sustainable and in control for the future. Based on that, I scored them a total of 43 against 50 for an 86% requirement, totally higher than the minimum outputs of 30 over 50. This project charter for Kilusan Ligtas Malaria is a successful social marketing or mobilization project. Thank you so much for listening to my report.